Find the area of the curve R is equal to a plus b cos theta where a greater than b. And this problem belongs to the topic quadrature. Welcome back to my channel Speak with Math. If you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe and press the bell button also. Here the given equation is of the form R is equal to f of theta. To find the area enclosed by the curve R is equal to f of theta and two radii vectors theta is equal to a and theta is equal to b is given by a is equal to 1 by 2 into integral a to b r square d theta. Here the given equation is R is equal to a plus b cos theta. That is R is equal to a function of theta. Here if we change theta by minus theta, we can see that R is equal to a plus b cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta itself. That is R is equal to a plus b cos theta. That is, if we change theta by minus theta, it does not alter the given equation. So, the equation is symmetrical about the initial line. Symmetrical about the initial line. So, the required area A is twice the area above the initial line. So, to find the area enclosed by the curve, just find the area in first and second quadrant and 2 into that area gives the complete area enclosed by the curve. Here, to draw this curve, just put some values for theta. When theta is equal to 0, cos 0 is what? 1. Then the value of R is a plus b. If theta is equal to pi by 3, value of R is a plus b by 2. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Then R is a plus b by 2. If theta is equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, then value of R is a. And if theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, value of R is a minus b by 2. And if theta is equal to pi, value of R is a minus b. Cos pi is minus 1, then R is a minus b. And this is a heart-shaped curve. Here we can see that in the first and second quadrant, here the value of theta is 0 and increases to theta is equal to pi by 2, and here it is theta is equal to pi. So, the limits of integration varying from 0 to pi. So, required area is equal to twice the area enclosed in the first and second quadrant. To get the complete area, 2 into this area gives you the complete area of the curve. That is 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. Limits of integration from 0 to pi, r square is a plus b cos theta the whole square into d theta. That is a is equal to integral 0 to pi a plus b cos theta the whole square. That is a square plus 2ab cos theta plus b cos theta the whole square. That is b square cos square theta into d theta. 0 to pi a square plus 2ab cos theta plus b square into cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta, that is equal to integral 0 to pi a square plus 2ab cos theta plus b square by 2 plus b square by 2 cos 2 theta into d theta is equal to a square d theta is a square, integral a square d theta is a square theta plus 2ab into integral cos theta is sin theta plus b square by 2 into d theta. Integral b square by 2 d theta is b square by 2 theta plus b square by 2 integral cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2, and the limits of integration from 0 to pi. Integral cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2. Now, if you apply the upper limit, a square into pi plus 2ab sin pi, that is 0. Sin pi is 0 plus b square by 2 pi plus b square by 2 into sin 2 pi, that is also 0, minus, if you apply the lower limit, 0, this term becomes 0, this term also 0, sin 0 is 0, b square by 2 into theta, if theta is 0, this term becomes 0, and here also sin 0 is 0. So the answer is pi into a square plus b square by 2 unit square. If it is area, then unit square. So the area of the curve R is equal to a plus b cos theta is pi into a square plus b square by 2. Thank you.